called on the community of Mayam County to unite and join the state government to crack down armed criminals causing insecurity in the area. Governor Monytuil made the call during the funeral rise of the late Nguen Monytuil in Mankin on Monday. Monytuil said the Mayam incident that resulted into killing of the commissioner and other security posts will be dealt with by the government.
This problem that brings shame to us will be eliminated from us. This will be done by the government. Give government a chance and follow the action, and let her have a say.
The killing of the commissioner attracted wider condemnation from the elders in the area, describing it as an unusual and unacceptable incident, appealing to the government to punish the culprits.
It is for the government. Government will look into the case. Soil belongs to the government. We will not have a say as a community.
Late Honorable Nguen Monytuil was a commissioner of Mayam County, United States, and killed on 22nd July at his residence in Mayam Town by the group of insurgency claimed by the Stephen Boy Rolyang as stated in the document released on 22nd July. The late Commissioner Nguen Monytuil was laid to rest in Mayam Town on Friday. May the good God rest their souls in eternal life.